Hi, welcome to this unboxing video for the new 2021 BigBoi BlowR Pro Plus. This is similar to the BigBoi BlowR Pro with just a few great upgrades. So it's well packaged in the box. Along with the instruction manual, there's a spare O-ring and 2 filters. This is the new 9-meter standard hose with the remote attached. Previously this was only a 5-meter hose as standard. I believe you could purchase 9 meters separately. This is the new power cable holder, again something that was lacking from the original model. The power cord can now be wrapped up and locked into place at the rear of the machine. Let's have a look at the machine. So it's the same weight and build as the Pro, however due to the cable management system and tool holder, it's another 10 centimeters in length. Overall, it's still a very compact unit. Still has a 5-meter power cord, and it comes with the 2 rubber tipped nozzle attachments. It's got quite a solid feel to this machine. It has the option to run one or both motors, a wind control dial on the top, and on the far left a toggle to operate full speed, or the option to use the remote or the dial function. To attach the cable management system, you undo the 2 nuts on the rear of the machine and slide the attachment on. 2 up the nuts again and you're ready to go. Couldn't be easier. As you can see, the cable management system is a big win. No more hassles trying to juggle the cord and the hose while you're getting the machine into position. The tool holder is also a nice new addition. The hoses and fittings all connect nice and firm and feel of good quality. Let's try it out.